In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the H&M app with a full tutorial to guide you through the process seamlessly and ensure that you can shop with ease. First, you'll need to open the H&M app on your device. Once you've launched the app, head over to the My Account section. This is where you can manage all your personal details, track your orders, and access your membership benefits. Take a moment to ensure that your account information is up to date, as this will be important later when you're ready to complete your purchase. Next, it's time to start shopping. Begin by exploring the product categories. Let's find something in the clothing section. Within this category, you can browse through a variety of subcategories to locate the specific item you're looking for. We'll move into the trousers section to illustrate this process. Once you've found a pair of trousers or any item that catches your eye, tap on it to view more detailed information, including a description and the available sizes. This is your opportunity to make sure it's just what you're looking for before adding it to your basket. It's important to carefully select the correct size to avoid any sizing mishaps when the item arrives. Satisfied with your choice? Perfect. Go ahead and click Add to Basket. This will temporarily hold your item while you continue shopping or proceed to checkout. When you're ready to complete your purchase, tap on the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can review all the items in your basket, ensuring everything you need is there. Now it's time for checkout. Proceed by clicking on Secure Checkout. This secure portal will guide you through the payment process. First, you'll need to fill in any required information on this page. Enter your name and address carefully since these are used for billing and delivery. Before moving on, double check that everything is correct. Once that's complete, click Save to ensure that all your details are safely stored and you're all set. If you haven't done so already, add your payment method by entering your card number. Make sure your card details are entered accurately to avoid any issues with processing your payment. Finally, when you're absolutely certain everything is in order, it's time for the last step. Click Place Order. This will finalize your purchase, and soon you'll receive a confirmation with your order details. Keep an eye on your email for that confirmation and any updates on the delivery of your new items. And there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to order and pay on the H&M app. Now you can shop confidently and enjoy a seamless online shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.